Hello, I'm Mike Malachi with Pink Harbor CPA, and today we're going to talk about a wage garnishment. Now, a wage garnishment is when the IRS or the state sends a notice to our employer and tells our employer this individual owes us money and we want to collect that out of a deduction from their paycheck. So instead of giving this person their entire net pay, instead pay the Internal Revenue Service or pay the state taxing authority a portion of their paycheck. Now, a wage garnishment is typically preceded by a request from the IRS or the state to also change your withholdings. So in the case of the Internal Revenue Service, they always want to change you to a single zero, which is the maximum dollar amount that they can take out of your paycheck. And then you have to fight and dispute that wage change. So now, wage garnishments can be alleviated, and the fastest typical way to alleviate these wage garnishments is to go into an installment plan agreement or ask for a complete abatement of that wage garnishment while we try to get everything else rectified. So for this and other important tax topics, such as tax problem resolution, tax preparation, or business accounting and consulting, please visit our website at pinkharbor.com or visit our YouTube channel. Thank you.